Day 3. Two things happened that day. Slow Piotr left us and went to a friend in the southern part of Slovakia. And it rained all morning. Even a delicious breakfast didn't change anything. Well, day number 3. And the weather isn't good. It's already 12 o'clock. It's still a bit wet. So, I don't know. Finally, around 1 p.m. the weather improved. The rain stopped and the road began to dry quickly. In the city there, today is Tour de Pologne cycling thing. So the whole city is going to be closed. So we have to leave this place. And as you can see, there is a lot of police, the firefighters, and they're gonna block the roads. So 1, 2, 3 police cars and a police bike. So I'm guessing we are going to Slovakia. So, as you probably notice, we are having a lot of fun. Also, the weather decided to surprise us from time to time. but nothing will scare real bikers. So as soon as the rain stopped, we returned to our fun. Stopping only from time to time to take a piece and fuel up. We actually stopped twice more. The first time when we saw this. We stopped for the second time when our stomachs reminded us that apart from riding a motorcycle, sometimes we also need to eat. So we found a good restaurant nearby and ate a decent dinner. A garlic soup, which rather resembled cheese soup, and a delicious cutlet with potatoes and salad.
Wideo będzie wyglądało tak, że będzie 50 minut. Dzień dobry, dzień pierwszy. Dzień dobry, dzień drugi.
Dzień pierwszy. Gdzie jest kurwa Piotr?
We are waiting. Ollie is having fun. It's getting dark. It was seriously getting dark. And after some thoughts, and a few near falls, Idźcie wy do dupy, k***wa, z takim pomysłem. We decided that it was time to go back to our accommodation. Tomorrow we had to go back home. Morning everyone. Day 4 and my last day, and all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna ride straight home. I need to pack all that stuff, make a real nice, eat breakfast and leave. Weekend is over. Okay, ladies and gents, it is time to leave. Our accommodation was okay. It wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. The boys are going different way than I do, so I'm leaving first because they're not ready yet. Okay, I'm ready to go. Ollie is ready to go. So let's do it. Let's go home. Come on. And so my trip to Slovakia came to an end. It was a great trip. Despite a few shortcomings, I had a great time in a good company. Time to go home. But you know me, I don't stay in one place for long. It's time for the next adventure. So, see you soon.